Hi foodies, welcome to Amma's cooking recipes. Today we'll prepare most famous and tasty mutton dum biryani. We can make this biryani easy and simple with my tips, but it's super tasty restaurant style our aromatic mutton dum biryani. See our biryani rice like a pearls and mutton pieces are so juicy. Just make this recipe as it is. Definitely yours is the best biryani. Anyone can cook this perfect aromatic mutton dum biryani. Let's get into the recipe. In a cooker, I just added a 3 tablespoon oil and 3 tablespoon ghee. And now I am adding the whole garam masalas. It's a stone flower, elaichi and shahi jeera, cloves and cinnamon. Just fry for 30 seconds. And now I am adding 4 onions pieces. I just fry this onion till the onion's color change. It took 5 to 6 minutes in medium flame. See, our onions are color changed nicely. Now I am adding a 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and fry for 1 more minute. Now I am adding just a pinch of turmeric and 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 2 teaspoons dhania powder, 2 teaspoons biryani masala. Biryani masala powder I prepared in home, it seems. Just fry for 2 minutes and now I am adding it 2 tomato pieces. Yes, for mutton biryani tomatoes will give extra taste. And I am adding a 6 green chilies. I am adding half kg mutton. I just cleaned this mutton very nicely for 3 times and now I am added into the masala. Now I will fry for 6 minutes. 6 to 8 minutes I will fry. Now I am adding a 1 cup curd. Give a quick stir. Now I am adding mint and coriander. It's approximately half bunch. Just I frying all the masalas and just I added 1 cup of water. Put the whistles and cook the mutton nicely up to 80%. We can cook 80 to 90%. Here I am taken a good amount of water, approximately 3 liters, and now I am adding shahi jeera and its 10 cloves and small cinnamon stick. And now I am adding the oil, it's 2 tablespoon oil, and salt I am adding more. This water must be a salty. Our water is boiled nicely. Now I am adding 500 grams basmati rice. Already I soaked for 1 hour. And I just cook this rice for 80%. See, here I taken a half kg mutton and half kg basmati rice. Both are equal. This biryani can eat 5 to 6 persons. Here our rice is boiled nicely. See here I prepared mutton nicely at 90%. Its gravy must be there to dum our biryani. Now I am draining the water in this way. I just adding the rice into the mutton. Here we cooked mutton 90% and we cooked rice 80% only. Remaining we gonna cook with dum. See here I am putting the hose with a knife because I want the steam very nicely to come up. And now I am adding the saffron milk. I just put some milk pouring into the holes also so that the flavors will come nicely and the color also come nicely. Here I am adding a 7 to 8 crushed elaichi. This will give the good aromatic for our biryani. And now I am adding some mint and some fried onions. I just wrap with silver foil. This foil will help to dum our biryani perfectly. Instead of foil, we can use the atta to seal the plate. I just cook in high flame for 10 minutes and now I have put the tawa and place the cooker on the tawa and we'll cook 20 minutes in low flame. Just I am cooking 10 minutes in high flame, 20 minutes in low flame and switch off the flame. That's it. We no need to check our biryani is cooked or not. Definitely it will cook nicely. And just let it cool down for 10 minutes. Our biryani is perfectly done. Just add 3 to 4 tablespoons desi ghee. It will increase the taste. Our mutton dum biryani is ready. It's a perfect dum biryani. If you like my recipe, like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.